Hey Curvage noobs! This is a video explaining how Curvage works. For some, when they first come to Curvage, it's a little intimidating. They're thinking, what am I supposed to do here? Well, if that's you, then this is the video for you. Let's start out with the homepage. What exactly is the homepage? One of the things the homepage does is it aggregates a lot of the content that's posted to the rest of the website all in one place. Think of it as a summary of all the good stuff Curvage has to offer, aggregated and posted in one spot. One of the other prominent functions of the homepage are the status updates. This section is very prominent, you'll notice it right away. It's basically your traditional social media feed. And if you're familiar with Facebook or Twitter, the rest of it, you kind of get what's going on here. You can post whatever's on your mind, it'll update, people can like, reply, comment, whatever. Also, if you post something on your own personal profile, it shows up here in the status updates area. So keep that in mind. Speaking of profiles, everything an individual member posts on the website can be found from their profile. Any gallery post, forum post, etc. are all linked on someone's profile. And reputation is the quality of content that this individual is providing to the community. If they post something and people click like, the individual gains a reputation point. So somebody with lots of reputation is an individual that's adding lots of great stuff to Curvage. One of the questions that comes up a lot is, where can I post my pictures? Well, there are several places you can post pictures on Curvage. One of the places is you can post it in the status updates area that we were just discussing. Another thing you can do is go to our gallery, create an album, and post images there for people to browse. One of the primary places though that you should probably think about posting pictures is in the forums. Creating yourself a thread and adding images to that thread, or replying to an already existing thread with some images. Of course, to do that though, you need to understand what a forum is. And some of you have never seen forums before. You might be familiar with social media feeds, which is pretty much just an endless river of topics. Forums are kind of like that, but with more organization. Think of forums as organized conversation. So there are different levels with nested things on the inside, and it goes like this. On the top level you have categories. Inside of categories you have forums nested, and then each form contains topics or threads. Now topics or threads are user created, and inside of each topic or thread you have all the replies or posts. That's where the conversation happens, inside the topic. So if you click on any topic, you go inside there and you see everybody's conversation. You can reply to it and add your own thoughts. So back to this, where should I post my pictures? Well, if you have a picture of yourself, we have a form for that. You can start a topic, add some of your pictures. People will like and comment on your pictures. And then when you want to add more pictures, no need to start a new topic. Simply reply to your topic and your thread will grow as you add more pictures and more people comment and reply. Next to your pictures after you post them, there are these little icons. Sometimes people ask what those are. Well, the little down arrow pointing into the box with the random number next to it, that number is how many times somebody has clicked on your image to expand it to full size. So if you see a big number there, it's getting a lot of people clicking on it. If you see a small number, people are seeing the thumbnail and they're not expanding it to full size. And then the other bit of information next to the image is the file size. So like 37 kilobytes, for example. Another great thing to do on Curvage is to click the Activity tab in the menu. This is a list of all the things that are going on all over the website. It lets you know what's being posted where, and you can really keep your finger on the pulse of what's going on at Curvage. You can filter and sort it in all kinds of crazy ways. Definitely recommend using that. We also have a Curvage Clip store where models post content that you can purchase. Really great stuff. Definitely recommend checking out that. Since this is supposed to be a beginner's video, We're going to wrap it up, but there's a bunch of stuff we haven't covered, such as all the ways you can chat with people on Curvage, the chat room, instant messenger, personal messaging, etc. We also have tons of privacy options to really customize who can see your content and who can't see your content. But mostly, we just want to say, don't be afraid to click around and have fun. We're so glad to have you here. We love new members. We love members that want to share and contribute, reply to other people's content, add content of your own, and most of all, just have fun. Glad to have you here. See you on the site.